Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper trending on X published on August 20, 2025, about 5 days ago. The headline result is an adaptive multimodal CAPTCHA that reports a human success rate near 92.8%, with a bot bypass rate as low as 5.2%, beating traditional text, image, and audio challenges. The paper is titled Aura-CAPTCHA, a reinforcement learning and GAN-enhanced multimodal CAPTCHA system. And as we will see later, the implications for online security are quite significant. In short, the system fuses GAN's reinforcement learning and large language and audio models to generate synchronized visual and audio tasks, while behavior signals help separate humans from automated agents. Alright, reactions swing between skepticism about square clicking and curiosity about whether AI already surpasses humans, while another comment notes, Aura-CAPTCHA appears fairly AI-resistant, with moderate engagement around 151 likes. Alright, the earlier reactions set the stage for practicality. Figure 2 shows the end-to-end architecture, which routes user interaction from a simple interface into a backend that generates visual grids, puzzle sliders, and audio prompts. The diagram highlights GAN image generation, large language model and audio processing, and a reinforcement learning loop that adapts difficulty based on behavior. A security block then validates responses and analyzes interaction patterns, so results feed back to tune challenges in real time. The previous figure outlined the system blocks. Figure 1 shows how signals flow end-to-end. The diagram starts from user input, passes through the generative content module that splits into visual and audio generators, and produces a synchronized audio-visual output. An adaptive challenge module with reinforcement learning tunes difficulty based on behavioral data like mouse movements and clicks, which the user interaction analysis extracts. The final CAPTCHA challenge reaches the human user, and responses loop back so difficulty and content adjust in real time. Alright, the previous figure traced signal flow through the pipeline. Figure 3 shows concrete challenge screens, which illustrate the multimodal design with audio, slider, and grid tasks. The top left panel demonstrates an audio prompt with typed response, while the top right panel presents a slider puzzle that requires aligning a missing piece. The bottom panels display 9x9 style image grids that ask for category matches, so multiple correct selections make automated guessing harder and allow difficulty to adapt. Okay, the previous figure illustrated sample challenges. Table 1 presents a head-to-head comparison across key metrics, which makes the gains concrete. Bypass rate drops to 5.2% versus 27 to 38% for image and text baselines, and human success rises to 92.8%. Average response time improves to 5.6 seconds, while the adaptability score reaches 0.91 because the reinforcement learning agent tunes difficulty. The false positive rate stays low at 3.1%. Okay. The earlier table summarized metrics, and Figure 4 shows the confusion matrix that explains where errors arise. The chart presents true human and true bot rows against predicted human and predicted bot columns, which makes precision and recall visible. Most mass sits in the top left cell, indicating correct human verification, while a smaller block in the bottom right shows correctly caught bots. The off-diagonal cells are sparse, so false positives and false negatives remain low, aligning with the 3.1% false positive rate. Alright, the confusion matrix tied it together. Low false positives with strong human verification, thanks to adaptive difficulty and multimodal cues. 2 takeaways stand out. Generative adversarial networks keep challenges unpredictable, and reinforcement learning tunes difficulty in real time. Generative adversarial networks are paired models that synthesize realistic content. Thanks for listening. I am Alex, signing off.